Want to reset your Android so you can safely sell it, or just want to start fresh? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Android smartphone. Now let's get started. To factory reset your Android device, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select General Management. At the bottom, tap Reset. We'd suggest backing up your device before going through with the reset. Tap Temporary Cloud Backup or External Storage Backup to save a copy of your Android data before erasing everything. Once you've backed up your Android, tap Factory Data Reset. To confirm, scroll down and tap Reset. Enter your Android's PIN code, then tap Delete All to confirm. Your Android will then be reset to factory settings, and all of your data and apps will be deleted. That's all it takes to factory reset your Android phone. If you're looking to transfer your data to a new device, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.